Okay, I have no idea why there is dried fish and painter's tape in my bedroom, but well, whatever. When all else fails, follow the instructions. Don't let this beautifully made bed fool you, because this is my room right now. Yeah, and it's gonna get organized, but not all in one day. A small closet is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's small, you can't get a lot of stuff into it. On the other hand, if you're not a minimalist, it's small, you can't get a lot of stuff into it. So you always try to make it look nice, put baskets and everything up in there and make it look organized, and it is, except I can't see in those baskets. So every time I pack, I have to take the baskets down, open them up, see what's inside of there, and then I lay them on the bed, and I don't put them back right away because I'm still packing. And next thing you know, I'm going on my trip and I'm like, just leave it there, you'll get back, you'll pack it and pack it back up. That's why my room looks the way it does now. Between videotaping, traveling back to back, holidays and family staying, my room has turned into this. And to add insult to injury, this is my office. Isn't that lovely? Seeing something like that can be pretty overwhelming and make you just say, I just wish I could just burn the house down, but it is doable and I'm going to show you how. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is just set aside some time, set up a date and a time, whatever amount of time you can do, and set that on a calendar as a meeting. Now, if you can set aside time to get the whole thing done at once, great, but if you can't, set just a certain amount of time, 15 minutes, half an hour, whatever you can spare, just to maybe get part of it organized and know that it's not all going to be done in one day, but it's better than it was. All right, let's see how I'm going to tackle this here. So, a lot of stuff here, and some of it doesn't even belong in this room. So my first order of business is just to get the things that don't belong in my bedroom out of my bedroom. Okay, I have no idea why there is dried fish and painter's tape in my bedroom, but well, whatever. All right, now that I have the things out of my room that are supposed to be out of my room, everything else here is supposed to be in my room. Now I'm just going to separate these things into piles, and it's going to start off with a major pile of clean and dirty. I know, it doesn't look like I did much here, but I did. Now I just have to get this stuff folded so I can get it off the bed. That way I have a stopping point. I can say, okay, my half an hour's up, this is where I'm gonna stop. And again, I'm not trying to be perfect, I'm trying to be better than it was. All right, so now I have everything organized into tops and bottoms, and I can get these laundry baskets off my bed. They're organized a bit, and that's my stopping point for today. Now I'll start again with another meeting to get the rest of it. I know there's still a large mess here. I'm going to use this basket just to put the shoes in for today, just to get them out of the way. I have a way to organize them. I'll go through that with you tomorrow. All right, so I set aside 1 hour. This is what I got done so far. I was able to get all the clothes folded into pants and shirts and get everything off the floor here. Remember, there's stuff all over the place here, and everything on the floor here was a mess. So at least it's stacked in, and I can get the closet drapery closed. If you're wondering why I have draperies, because we took the doors off and we're remaking them and they're not done yet. But at least now I can walk around my room and feel a sense of accomplishment because I got something done. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. One of the reasons why I had to get that area cleaned up is because I have an automatic light there and it senses motion. And every time I would get up at night, that light would come on and drive me crazy. So now at least I'm gonna be able to get this curtain closed to keep the light from coming in and waking me up. So I have a confession to make. I actually started and did this without you because when I got this in the mail and I opened it up, I was a little bit afraid of if it would actually work. So it comes with this back and with a door, and then it comes with this kind of flimsy plastic box thing. And I thought, oh gosh, this probably isn't going to work. But it did work. So let me show you how to put these things together. Follow the instructions exactly. Why is this not going on? What is going on with this thing? Well, I guess it would help if I folded these in. When all else fails, follow the instructions. All right, so now I have all of the little plastic tabs open here on this top piece. It's just going to fit on top of this, and then the little tabs that are on the plastic piece fit into slots here. So just basically put the tab into the slot and push down, and now these are all stacked together, nice and stable, and my doors open the same way, so that when I have things in, I don't have doors opening all different ways. Right, like that, and I can keep things in here and organized. All right, so now I'm going to show you how I have them working in my closet. All right, so this is how it looks all stacked up in my closet. These are stacks of 5 that I've hooked together just like this, and just set them next to each other. They're great. I can get these doors open and get to shoes. Even larger shoes like these boots fit in here. They just kind of go in sideways like this. And I can see everything, so I can see all of my shoes and know what I'm getting into. Also, it keeps all the dust off of my shoes, especially those ones that you don't wear very often. And if you have suede shoes, that can get really ucky. So it keeps everything dust-free and organized. And it allows me to then, if I want to move these sections around, I can do that. Now, I like this set so much, I bought another set because I'm going to show you up at the top of my closet. I have things stored up there, but a lot of times they're in boxes that I can't see, so I'm always taking boxes out and opening them up, and that's how they get left all over the place because I can't see what's in them. I'm going to have a few extras, and I'm going to take them up top here and organize some of the things up here. Although I love baskets like this, I can't see what's in them. They're great for storage, but I'd like to have a few that I can see what's in them, because what happens is I have to take a lot of this stuff down just to get to this, open it up and find out it's not what I need, and then keep doing that for everything that's up there. So hopefully these clear cases will give me a little bit more organizational view and keep me from having things out all over my bed every time I try to pack. Although it showed me I could get 4 stacked in here, because of this lip, I can't get 4 in at one time. I got to figure out a way to get this in here, try to attach it once it's up here. That might work. There. Now I can get 4 of these in here and put stuff in here. And I also have the larger size. There was some of the larger size left over. I don't think I'm going to be able to get 4. I think I'll get 3. Yeah. Which I'll get 3 in here. I just have to figure out how I want to arrange these to get the maximum amount of storage from these units. All right, now it's just a matter of playing Tetris and finding out what is the best configuration for me to get the optimal amount of storage for what I have. Plus, there are some things that aren't going to fit in these bins, so I need to leave a little bit of space for that. So here we go. I'm telling you this right now, this qualifies as a workout because I'm sweating. Okay, all right. So as you can see, I have some big things that aren't going to fit in these bins, so I need to have some space for them, but I'm still trying to figure out, there's a couple more things that also need to not fit in these and have to go up here. So a little more rearranging, and I think I've got it. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's better than it was, in the sense that now I can just open these doors like this. I might need a taller stool to get to all these things and see what's in here. All right, so now I have my dressier purses here, some little crossbodies that are nicer here. These are travel slippers and wallets. Some hats. I also have some black leather crossbodies, some larger leather purses here. This is all of my summer bags that are like these rattan bags. Then I have winter hats, gloves, straw hats again for the summer some more, and then all of my bucket hats, and another really nice purse here, as well as my back roller and my leather briefcase. Everything organized where I can see it. I don't have to pull things down, look at what's in there. Oh, that's not right, pull it down. And then I end up stuff strewed all over the bed. This will give me good visuals. I'll be able to pack a little bit quicker. I have all of my shoes in these cases now, which are going to keep them clean and organized. And you'll see some of them down here, like this one has 2 or 3 pairs in them. They're all the same though. They're all little flats or slides or flip-flops. And they'll even hold things like my larger things with heels, boots here. This has all of my silk and cashmere scarves. This has my page boy hats, anything that's not a ball cap really for the fall, and all of my little neck gaiters are here. And this is all my workout clothes right here. There's just enough room on the top here for some extra baskets of things like little bags and things that I take with me when I travel. I left a little room in between so that I could put in some sort of a step stool so I can get to the top. And I have enough clearance up here, so most of even my longer shirts hanging here have enough clearance and they don't get caught up inside of the shoe cases. All right, this is my closet. Everything I have, other than what's in my dresser, fits in here. Okay, it's a little bit of a lie because I take over part of my boyfriend's closet, but most of it fits in here. So the number one thing obviously in a closet is hangers. I like to use these flocked hangers because things don't slip off of them. They're nice and thin. I can get a lot of things on a rod with these hangers. They're also lightweight, so that's important when you're putting a lot of things on a rod. I like that they're all metallic, either silver or gold, so everything looks pretty much the same in the closet, which gives you that feeling of organization. So these are really important for me to use. I also like these pant hangers because they're padded and I can easily slide my pants on and off the hanger. I have a lot of camisoles and this belt hanger works great for organizing them. A scarf organizer is a must to organize those scarves you use every day. This hanging shoe organizer is perfect for protecting my silk scarves and hanging a few of those other little things that I don't want to lose in my closet. And you can never go wrong with some hooks to hang up things like robes and things you use every day. I use a metal rod because I have a lot of things hanging on here and the wood rods tend to bend, so I use a metal rod with metal holders to hold all of my clothes. I don't know about you, but having light in my closet is important, so I like this. This is a rechargeable LED light that I can put up in the top of my closet to bring down some light. What I like about it is there's a magnetic strip at the top. This allows me to place the light wherever I need it to be, and then this will just go ahead and be at the top of my closet. But you can also line the side of your closet or underneath shelves. This will allow you to get a good amount of light. This also has a motion sensor on it, so as soon as I open up my closet, it allows me to have the light turn on and I can see everything in there. So this is a really important part of my closet. When I'm packing up for a trip, I like to use one of these little closet or over door organizers or hangers. This just simply hangs over the closet door and then it pops open just like this. So you can hang your hangers across here and organize your clothes for packing, and then it just simply packs away like that, and it's just easy. I leave it on the door. Let's take a look at the before and afters. All right, so that's it. That is how I organize my small closet so that I can see everything and get to everything easily. I hope you got some great hacks for your small closet. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Oh, and the notification bell. It's going to let you know when I put up another wacky organization or travel video. Until the next time, juice life, drink the joy, keep life simple. I'll see you guys in the next video. I have all my shoes and, oh, filming the wrong way.